Quantum. What is quantum? Quantum can be a nebulous word. It can be a word that means so many things. In order to begin to understand quantum, for me, it's helpful to see, well, what is not quantum? Let's compare the contrast to quantum in the physics realm. For example, in the physics world, we say quantum as opposed to Newtonian. Now, what does Newtonian mean? Newtonian is sometimes synonymous for linear, having to do with cause and effect, a series of events that is set within a boundary of rules and laws. And there was a time where that was helpful. We're now experiencing a shift in our consciousness as a planet, where the only word to really describe coming out of a place of linearity and structure and going to a place of knowingness and all things possible, we choose the word quantum. Quantum encapsulates this aspect of who we are that is boundless, without boundary, that is limitless, that is filled with a knowing that cannot be explained. So when we speak of quantum, what is quantum? This gives us a taste of it. First by understanding what is not quantum, and then moving into the understanding, into the knowing of the world of quantum.